Let's go somewhere. It is not important where we're headed. Let's go somewhere. We will find a way. Oh. Let go of your anxiety for the first time. Yeah, you always wanted life to be full of mystery. Well, you have to take some risk to be free, whichever it could be. Yeah, well, you have to be open for.
Tagal ng pula. Ayun, isa lang. Saglit lang ang pula. Yun.